How to use, set up, and turn on voicemail on Android. Let's get started. First, open the Phone app on your Samsung device. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, tap Voicemail. On some Android or One UI versions, you may need to open supplementary services or calling accounts before you see the voicemail option. If you don't find it, use the Settings search bar and search for Voicemail. Open Voicemail Number or Voicemail Settings, then tap Voicemail Number. Enter the voicemail number provided by your mobile carrier, then tap Save or OK. That's it. Your voicemail number has now been added successfully. To access voicemail anytime, open the Phone app and press and hold the 1 key on the dial pad. Your Samsung phone will automatically call your saved voicemail number. And that's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick WhatsApp tips and tutorials.